Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop for this late night Sunday night episode. Bob TV. Okay, we're going to stick a fork in the F4 and call her done, baby. Took me all weekend, but got her done. Cockpit's in it, CG'd by F4 Dave, CG Mark. He's a little aft, but he's had 5 F4s, and he said that's where he likes it, but I made it just a tad bit nose heavy from there. But it's about 1.5 inches back from the factory CG, and he said that's just terribly nose heavy. But no safe than sorry. We're gonna split the difference a little bit. But I know you guys are wondering what is in that big old box. That's a big old box, man. It almost goes to my ceiling. I know that jet ain't that big. I don't know, but it's killing me. I'm gonna get started on it this week. Now this is not a complete build, guys. All I have to do is get it ready to paint. Ain't put nothing in it. So it's not going to be a month-long deal. I got a couple other things I'm going to do when I'm blasting at a prime. And a couple other things need blasted primed around here too. We're just going to throw that into the mix. Okay. Now. So. That's for sure. Well, I'm going to just cut on the side without knowing what's there. Box when we got that here on the table. You gonna see this? I'm gonna cut the end of it open first, so I can see what I am cutting. Okay, we just got a double box thing going. Nice double box. Tell you what. Two-person box. Enough for this. Stuff really good. Cut along edge only, and it's about a well packed kit. Another double box in there. They tell you to cut along the edge. We got a big old piece of foam there. Bam! It was here as long. These were quite that big, but it's been a long time. Been a long time. There it is. Nicely packed. Oh yeah, baby. That looks good. Get the other stand out. Bam! There it is. Yellow aircraft F-18 Hornet. Now this ain't the Super Hornet. I like this model. I'm not real fond of the Super Hornets. You know, these got the big speed brake in the back. That's my favorite one. chock full of parts, all the air cylinders, hinges. Ductwork. You can get these for a single or a twin. This one's going to be for a single. These are all epoxy. They used to make their fuselages out of polyester. Not anymore. Wing tips. Oh yeah. I believe he's got his own landing gear, so probably didn't get any gear. He says he's got the nicest set of F-18 gear ever made. Nice ductwork. That carbon toe on there keep them from collapsing, but turbines don't have the problems that ducted fans had with collapsing. You know why? No, these are the wing tips. Them are wing pylons. Thought them looked a little big. But because you know, them old ducted fans and electrics too, they get all their thrust out of the ducts, where turbines compress their air, so they don't need as much inlet. They don't need as much coming in as going out, like ducted fans or electric. Well, that's some nice work right there, guys. It's all epoxy. They used to, I can tell, they used to make all that stuff out of or polyester. Oh, recessed gear doors. Oh yeah, just like I'd do it. Yeah, Skymaster didn't do that. Tell you what, I'm kind of ashamed of them gear doors on the bottom of that airplane. They didn't fit real good. You know, not this one, that one. I mean, I got them on there, but they just wasn't a perfect fit, you know. Man, I'm gonna have to cut into all that stuff. This stuff is packed for shipping, baby. All that stuff is hot glue gunned in. Got a videotape there. CD. I'm gonna have to cut all that stuff open. I don't think I got any landing gear, guys. I believe because Kevin said he had his own gear. He's got someone else making his gear. F-18 twin parts. That just might be what they call it. Alright guys, that's all I got for you tonight. I just had to bust that open. We'll show you the wings tomorrow. But it's going to be a nice little build. Going to go quick. And get it out the door, let it get it to Kevin. Let him get that bad boy flying. So, till then, we'll be mating into F4 soon too. Until then, we'll see you guys back in the shop.